Hello you guys, and welcome back to another one of Pep's YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare and play one of our activities found on our website called Gone Fishing. Gone Fishing is a very fun way to have your children learn different sounds, letters, and numbers, and also their hand-eye coordination. If you'd like to see a much more detailed description of this activity, as well as instructions, tips, and different ways to customize this game based on the different age groups of your children, make sure to click the link down below, which will take you directly to our website activities page. Without further ado, let's get started on how to prepare this activity. To make our fishes, you're going to need any type of paper. Today I'm using colored construction paper. You're also going to need some permanent markers, some metal paper clips, some magnets. If you don't have these type of magnets, you can use fridge magnets as well. You're also going to need some type of string, ribbon, or even a shoelace, and also some scissors. So you want to start off by cutting your paper into strips like this. Today I'm going to be using different colored construction paper, but you're more than welcome to even use white printer paper if you don't have construction paper. Once you've made your strips, you want to cut them into small squares, almost about the size of some sticky notes, and you can make as many as you want. So then you want to take your permanent marker and you can start customizing your fishes however you like. You can use letters or numbers, or you can check our website for different ideas. Then you want to go ahead and slide a metal paper clip into each one of your fishes. To make your fishing rod in this experiment, you're going to need some type of stick, and then you're going to tie your string or ribbon or shoelace to one side of the string, and on the other side of the string you're going to want to tie a magnet. So once you tied one side of the string to the stick and the other side to the magnet, you have your fishing rod. You can go ahead and give it to your children so they can start fishing. If you don't have any magnets, no worries, we can easily modify this activity and use paper clips instead of magnets. All you want to do is just tie the other side of the string to an opened up paper clip, and then just bend the paper clips on your fishes upward so it makes it easier to clip on. And that's it, you guys. That's how easy it is to set up and play this game. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video. Bye, you guys. Thank you.